Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at a 360 Slim. So as you see on the left over here, console's working fine. Has definitely seen better days, so it's like scratched up. The grill for the fan is missing a chunk here. But what I want to do today is, hopefully, if I'm correct, I got a new XC GPU, and that this should give me the ability to zero fuse it. So if you've seen my other zero fuse videos, basically I'm gonna install this on it, write a hacked dashboard without RGH or anything. We're gonna basically do it, won't say much about it, as in I'm not gonna talk after this. Plan is RGH3 it, get all the KV and stuff, make a zero fuse, put this bad boy on, and it'll work. Maybe we'll add a few things along the way, we'll find out. But yeah, let's take it apart and just get going.
And while we do that, I would like to say thank you to today's sponsor, PCBWay, the premier destination for top quality printed circuit boards. In a short span, PCBWay has become the go-to choice for seamless online ordering, rapid prototyping, and unparalleled customization. From hobbyists like myself to industry leaders, PCBWay has earned the trust through its commitment to precision and reliability. Cutting-edge technology and a skilled team ensure that every PCB meets the highest standards. Beyond circuits, PCBWay fosters a vibrant community of creators, turning ideas into reality. Join the innovation wave with PCBWay, where quality meets ingenuity.
Alright, and here is the zero fuse CPU, well, supposed zero fuse CPU installed. I replaced these two caps also because they were going to blow up. I already have my heatsink. I have everything on the IHS on the heatsink. I'm just going to gently place it. I need something to prop this side up. And hopefully she will boot.
Oh no!
Nope. Getting red dot. Can I do this with one hand? We'll find out. So let's see what our error code is. Let me set you guys up and we'll figure this out. Okay, so in case if you don't know, it's the same thing to get the error codes as a FAT. Press sync and eject, so we're going to sync and eject it. 0, 0, 3, 3. So I'm going to look on Xenon library. I think this basically means our XC GPU is cooked. Because that's the only thing I did. I did nothing else but write the zero fuse NAND and the XC GPU. I also didn't know if this was indeed a zero fuse, so let's see what we find out. So after looking around for a bit, it seems like the error is a RAM related error, which makes no sense because I ain't touched these and they worked fine prior. The XC GPU, this is like a weird indicator. It smells ever so burnt. Like if I put my nose up against it, it smells like smoke came out of it, which isn't a good indicator. Also, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but if we look at the IHS over here, there are like indicators over here that maybe this was not a new XC GPU. It looks like there's like flux residue or burnt residue up top here. And this is the IHS I came from because you see the padding and it matches the padding over there. So yeah, I don't know. I guess from here all I can really do is put back the original chip. We'll put back the original chip, right back the original NAND, and we'll see if we get it going. If we have the same error code, then at least, you know, we know it's something I did. But this is the original chip, still not delidded. I'm gonna delid, put the balls back on it, floor back on here, right back to the original NAND, and we'll come back once we have all that done. Sorry, unfortunately, this is the way it goes sometimes. And here we are with the GPU put back. So if we zoom all the way in, there you'll see original GPU. I'm gonna put back our heatsink, and hopefully it'll power back on, and we'll at least be back in the state we were in before. Power it on. Blinking green light there. Come on, baby. Ring of light's good. And it looks like we will get our beautiful retail picture back. Cool. So we got it back to where we started, which is unfortunate because I wish this was a zero fuse and I wish I wasn't bamboozled into buying a chip that was not a zero fuse. But you live and learn. We're going to go back to these chips are harder to find than you think they are, which makes a lot of sense because they are. And yeah, I'll leave it here. I'm not going to put it back together. We didn't do what we set out to do, but we're back at the start. They're working, so at least I didn't kill it this time like I have in the past with other things. So yeah, if you thought this was useful, interesting, maybe you learned something new, maybe you didn't, leave a comment down below. As always, like, comment, subscribe. It's always useful. And yeah, sorry about this, but we'll see you on the next one, whatever that may be. See ya.
I can't fall to sleep, my mind just keeps